Chrissy here with John Hart Real Estate, bringing you LA's lifestyle and local events within your community. Today we meet with studio owners of Fred Astair Dance Studio here in downtown Arcadia, where they're going to show us 3 dance moves to get us back on that dance floor. So what are you waiting for? Get your dance shoes on and come meet us inside. We're inside of Fred Astair's Dance Studio, where we have Oleg and Kristina, studio dance owners, and our dance director show. They're going to show us some dance moves to get us back on that dance floor.
So, how to start dancing? First, we have to learn 3 major elements of dance. With these 3 major elements, you can do more than 8 dances, even 15, but today we'll try 8. So what is element number 1? What do you think?
The box step.
It's a box step, famous box step. So imagine a box on the floor, and we just with our legs, let's find our left leg, we're gonna step forward, then we will step side, then we close our legs together and change weight. So this is already half of the box step. Then we, with the right leg going back, side, together. So totally 6 steps. So only these 6 steps create a box step. Let's try it again. From the left leg, we're going forward, side, together, back, side, together. One more time. Forward, side, together, back, side, together. How simple was that?
That was awesome.
And now, if we stay in front of each other, of course, for the girls, you will go backward, for the guys, you'll go forward. Same box steps, and we're going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So guess what? Doing box step, we already can do 2 dances, waltz and rumba. But let's move on. What is the next element of the dance? Is a triple step. So let's learn triple step. As it says, it's the 3 steps to the side. So we go 1, 2, 3. We can do 3 steps to one side. Obviously, we can do to another side. 1, 2, 3. So let's go triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step. Then we can dance it together, of course. So we're going triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step. Now let's move on to the element number 3 and the last element for today. It's a rock step. So what it means, rock step? Basically, we're gonna rock in between feet. So if we open our feet together, we're just rocking side to side, to the right, to the left, we're just rocking. So we're not really on the one leg or another, we're just rocking in between feet. Also, we can rock forward and back. We take one of the leg back, and we're just rocking in between feet. Rock, step. So for example, if we combine rock step with the 2 triple steps, we learn swing and jive same time. So we'll do rock, step. We do triple step, triple step. We have a rock, step, triple step.
Yes, thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned for the next episodes where we'll be showing you more dance sequences just like this. Until then, take care. Bye.